Welcome everyone back to another review right here at All Sparks Review, right here on YouTube. My name is Will, and today we're looking at the greatest enemy the Transformers ever faced, and that is of course Unicron. Now this is my Transformers Armada, and the reason I thought I would do it is because from Comic Con they're bringing back out Unicron again, and he's going to be all green. I've got the picture right here. And the reason I thought I'd use my Armada one and not my 30th anniversary, which I've still got sealed, which is more G1 colours, and there it's there, still sealed in the box. I don't want to open him because I've got this one. He's special. At the time, he would have been classed as the first Titan. Next to, well, in the new series, so to speak. Of course, you already had the Scorponok and Fortress Maximus. And I would class Fortress Maximus and Scorponok back in G1 as Titans. But in Armada series, especially now we're going forward, this would probably be the first proper Titan. And the fact it is the first mass-produced Unicron toy. It's one of these Transformers, I think, that if you had the money and it was on auction, you would be able to get that. But it's going to be so sought after, and it's so rare, like ultra rare. And I've only ever seen it in the Encyclopedia for Transformers toys, and even just in Hasbro or Takara Studios. It's one of these ones that G1 version will never probably get released. I'll be so surprised if it ever does. But to make up, we did get this guy, and this guy's really good. So let's get him transformed, see what he's like. As always, folks, thank you as always for subscribing to the channel, enjoying the video. Please leave a like, sub, hit that notification bell, all those great things. If you'd like to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, all that stuff, check out the stuff below. And stay tuned to the end where you can get to hear the amazing Cybertronic Warrior from the Cybertronic Spree and find out how to follow them. But let's get Unicron transformed. With Unicron, there is some things that I wish they'd done better with this toy, but overall I'm quite happy with what they've done. I do like the fact you've got the pincers coming in and it does close the mouth, obviously reminiscing scenes of when he's destroying the planets or if he's ready to attack anybody. But the one thing I did not like with the toy in general, and I know now I think you can buy stands, I just haven't got round to doing it. And plus, I'd look to get the best one you could get. I wish I could have him standing like this in planet mode. That's the only thing that puts me off, because basically he's got to lie like this. And the whole point of Unicron is you want him like that. That's the whole point of Unicron. But to start the transformation, just split the parts up here and the bottom parts. Where his legs are. Well, his feet, sorry. And just fold them out. So he's looking like a big spider. Grab the legs and just split. Twist around these parts, because you've got missiles on them which the Unicron can work with. Come at the feet, bring down, twist. That one always likes to go for its own little movement. There, we've got Unicron nearly there. He's nearly there. Come at the arms. Right in the middle, split, so he opens up, and then you can see that traditional red chest right in there. As soon as you've got Unicron like this, just fold back these panels. These panels can just go around the back just now, and we'll fix them at the end. Bring the arms up. Like so, twist them back round and push up his shoulder pads. Finally, head, horns up. Come in the front of Unicron, just flipping the little flaps on the arms, and you're just pushing that bit in there, and that will release the hand, and that will expose everything in there as well. Best way to do it is just push down on the hand. It will light up. Well, that one will light up, the other one doesn't. And there you go. There's one hand out. Go to this side. So flap, push in the hand, and just twist round. And just open up all the fingers. And there you have it, folks. Unicron transformed. It does a cool number of things, like this version, it's red eyes, as you can see. The G1 version's green eyes, and of course he gets a hand that lights up. It's okay, it's not the greatest thing. I wish he made noises, but you do get, when he opens his chest, this missile pops out, and of course you get his Unicron, which can sit in the back, fire a missile, and operate a few other things. Usually I just keep him in there for everything, just so it's tidy away, because I don't like Unicron with his Unicron. I just don't know why. Never liked that. But I do enjoy the way the figure looks. I wish I did have the Energon version, because you do get the black Unicron. And that's one I'm missing. I think it's one of the ones where if I'd be able to afford that and put by money, I'd be able to get that one. But to have Unicron in the collection, even have him as a toy, when Transformer fans from like the G1 movie, this is the bad guy we wanted, and now you can easily get him. If you're going to get him, pick up any. You will not be disappointed with this figure. Very simple to transform, great showpiece for like the Transformers collection, because he can really fit in anywhere, be it Armada, Energon, G1, G2, you name it, he can fit in, because what he's like, it's the planet. And yep, just hope one day we get him in the movie. We nearly did. As always, guys, thank you. I hope you really enjoyed the video. As always, like and subscribe to the channel. Be sure to follow us on Facebook, AllSparks Reviews, and now you can follow AllSparks Reviews on Twitter at AllSparkYT. And of course, you can follow myself on Twitch at Optimus Wilbur 85. Just type that in the search engine at the top. Also, a massive thank you once again to Cybertronic Spree for their amazing track, Cybertronic Warrior. I really do hope you guys check them out and give them much support and much love. One of the most fantastic bands I've ever heard, and do amazing covers. So please check them out right here on YouTube, Twitter and Facebook. And as always, guys, till all one.